Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you
Alam mahulog! Alam mahulog! Alam mahulog!
12 seconds later.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas. Good day, Philippines. Narito na naman kami. Here we go again, ang pinakasikat,
Superstar,
ang pinakamatapang,
Diamond Star,
ang pinakamalaki,
Megastar,
at laging napapanahon. The star of all seasons. Ito ang This is Balitang Balita. Sa Amerika, US, Justin Bieber dinumog ng kanyang mga fans. Justin Bieber swarmed praise fans sa upusan ng mauupuan. Otsis taking, marami tuloy ang nakakalimutan lamang. Stan fans, may mga tumungtong sa lamesa. Death fans, yung iba tumampa na sa pader. Wall fans, may iba namang sumabit sa kisame. Ceiling fans, kakawin ang palad, isang namatay dahil na kuryente. Electric fans, buti na lang, pinahira nila ang lamig ng kanilang mga ulo. Aircon. Samantala, meanwhile, isang patalastas para sa mga naghahanap ng kasambahay nila. Classified ads, kung kayo ay nahihirapan sa mga gawain pa, when you can, struggle, at kailangan nyo ng mga patulong, and you need a helping hand. May isa tayong kababayan na si Efren na handang mag-service. You guys, Efren. Para sa ibang detalye, tumawag na lang po kayo kay Efren. You just call out my name.
You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh, yes, I will see you again.
Hanggang sa muli, till we meet again, ito ang This is Balitang Balita.
Tila ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Tila ikaw ang nababahala. Pulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan.
Is the meaning of abjure. Ikinahiya ko ang lahat ng pinanggalingan ko. Ikinahiya ko yung
Mayor,
pagka-Pilipino ko.
teka muna.
Teka muna,
Sabihin mo
ako
sa
muna,
akin,
ako
bakit,
muna.
bakit si Ted
Hindi,
hindi?
ako muna.
Alam mo,
Hindi,
kung
hindi, ako
naiinsulto ka.
muna.
Alam mo,
Hindi,
kung
hindi, ako
naiinsulto
muna.
ka.
Ako-
Ikaw ba sinabi ko nangungulimbat?
Hindi,
Sinabi ko
sabi
lang
mo
naman. Sinabi ko lang naman.
Madam Senator, kung magbintang ka, parang ako'y nahatulan na. Kung magbintang ka, parang ako'y nahatulan na.
Sa dinami-dami ng aking minahal.
Vice President, kung gusto mo lang nasiraan ako or magtapong ka ng putik, at least gamitin mo current data.
Statistics po, laging hindi totoo eh.
Hindi, never ko sinabi na nag-MBA ako. Ikaw lang nag-isip nun.
You're a fraud. You're pretentious.
Pagkapangulo ang
Look at this
pinag-uusapan
guy.
dito.
Just before he
Pagkapangulo ang
resigned,
pinag-uusapan.
di mo lang alam. Kasi wala kang alam talaga.
Secretary Rox, wala naman itong nalalaman sa local government.
Pangatlong ihi mo na yan, Mar.
evenly. Baba. One, two, three, go. Baba. What? Who's not evenly? Baba.
Hey, classmates, hatid na pinakuli at pinakaingin na balita. We bring you the latest and the hottest news. Ang posting na rin, national na bulan. I'm electronic ignition, really birthday. Narito na naman kami. Here we go again. Wanda na kayong lahat. Thank you very much.
Sige lang. Tuloy niyo lang, tuloy.
Bawal ang pikon. Asa na? Umanda na kayong lahat. Ano ang pag-short? Practice pa yan.
Sige lang. Sige lang, practice pa lang naman. Sige lang, tuloy niyo lang. Para alam niyo na mamaya.
Umanda na kayong lahat. You better watch out. Bawal ang pikon. You better not cry. Bawal ang nagsumangon. You better. Bakit pakanta niyo sa akin?
You better not pout.
Oo.
Ano?
Magandang araw mga classmates. Good day, classmates. Hindi namin ang pinakuli at pinakamainit na balita. We bring you the latest and the hottest news. Ako po sa Internet National na Bulan. Ang electronic ignition, really bold. Narito na naman kami. Here we go again. Maganda na kami lahat. Better watch now. Bawal ang pikon. Better not cry. Bawal ang nagsumangon. You better not cry. Dahil aminado ang babae na pangit siya. Or this way, ayaw siyang nagtanan ng mga pumutok sa kanya. Paparati. Kung ano-ano ang tinatawag sa kanya. Telephone. Hindi na lang ito pinapansin. Oh, please.
Okay.
Sa kanila na. Wala tayo.
Try mo na, sige na, try mo na ngayon.
Tarantala. Meanwhile, sa pandakan, in aming house, tuluyan na pinakinaan ng loob ang mga squatters. The squatters are loba. Dahil hindi daw nakakarating sa gobyerno ang kanilang mga hinaing. Message, sending fail. At sila'y nawawalan na ng pag-asang yumaman. Kailan i-reach? Isang mensahe mula sa tanggapan ni Vice Presidente. A message from Vice President B9. At sabi niya, maging matatag tayo sa mga pagsubok. He said that when we go to the store, huwag kalimutan ang asal at maging mag-asal kahit kanino. Keep your head up high. At huwag din kayo matakot na iiwan ko kayo. And don't afraid. Don't afraid. Don't afraid of the dark.
Oo, kasi di ba wrong grammar nga yung mga yan?
Wala siya dito. So,
Don't afraid of
mali talaga yung grammar ko. Don't afraid of the dark. Atid sa inyo, brought to you by nang walang kinikilala, walang pinapalusot. No, walang sinungalingan. I broke the rights against domination. Bawang katotohanan lamang. I forgot, Your Honor. Ito ang hindi umatras. No retreat. Hindi sumusuko. No surrender. Hindi nangangwarta. No money. At walang kabit. No honey. Next joke.
I'm sorry, but I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost. The aeroplane and the radio have brought us closer together. The very nature of these inventions cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for universal brotherhood, for the unity of us all. Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world, millions of despairing men, women, and little children, victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed, the bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die, and the power they took from the people will return to the people. And so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Soldiers, don't give yourselves to brutes, men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, treat you like cattle, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world, a decent world, that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness. Soldiers, in the name of democracy, let us all unite!